How to connect Binance with TradingView live charts. Want to see live Binance charts on TradingView and even place trades directly from your charts? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to connect Binance with TradingView so you can trade smarter, faster, and more visually. Let's dive in. TradingView is one of the most powerful charting platforms out there. With advanced tools, drawing features, and customizable indicators, it's the go-to for serious traders. By connecting your Binance account, you unlock live crypto prices, chart trading, and real-time order execution, all from one interface. Before we connect the two, here's what you'll need: a verified Binance account, a TradingView account, even a free plan works. Binance API keys. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to get them. And yes, this is safe as long as you follow the security tips I'll cover later. Let's connect Binance to TradingView. Step 1, log into Binance, go to your profile, then select API management. Step 2, create a new API key. Name it something like TradingView. Step 3, copy the API key and secret. Step 4, in TradingView, click on Trading panel at the bottom. Select Binance. Click Connect. Step 5, paste your API key and secret. Click Connect. And boom, you're now connected. Now, let's explore what you get. Go to a chart, for example, BTC USD, and make sure the data source says Binance. You'll now see real-time order book data, accurate spreads, and live candles. No more switching back and forth between platforms. TradingView lets you place actual trades through Binance. Click buy or sell directly from the chart, set your order type, limit, market, stop limit, and execute. You can also manage open orders, check balance, and view trade history, all from the bottom panel. Make TradingView truly yours. Change the theme, use custom chart templates, and save your layout. Right-click the chart, select Settings, customize to your preference. You can also create multi-chart views, perfect if you monitor multiple pairs. One of the best features, alerts and indicators. To set an alert, right-click any price point, select Add Alert. You'll get notified via app, email, or browser. Also, load up indicators like RSI, MACD, or custom scripts from the TradingView community. If you get an error during connection, double-check your API key. Make sure Enable Spot and Margin Trading is ticked in Binance. Ensure there are no IP restrictions unless needed. Also, keep your API key private. Never share or expose it. Let's recap. Set up your Binance API. Connect it to TradingView. Trade directly on live charts. Customize your layout. Set smart alerts and indicators. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more crypto tutorials. Drop a comment below if you had any issues connecting Binance and I'll help out. See you in the next video. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Comment your favorite TradingView feature. Join our free Telegram or Discord community for traders, if applicable.